Let's do some verb juggling and accelerate your fluency. Funktionieren is to work or to function. Funktionieren. How would you say it works? Es funktioniert. How would you say it doesn't work? Es funktioniert nicht. How would you say, does it work? Funktioniert es? How would you say, yes, it works? Ja, es funktioniert. How would you say, that works? Das funktioniert. How would you say, how does this work? Wie funktioniert das? How would you say, how does the printer work? Wie funktioniert der Drucker? The printer is der Drucker. Wie funktioniert der Drucker? How would you say, the printer doesn't work? Der Drucker funktioniert nicht. How would you say, the printer doesn't work today? Der Drucker funktioniert heute nicht. How would you say, does the printer work? Funktioniert der Drucker? You remember, we don't have this do you, does when we make a question, when we make a yes-no question. In German, we start directly with a verb. Works the printer? Funktioniert der Drucker? How would you say, works the computer? Funktioniert der Computer? How would you say, does the car work? Funktioniert das Auto? How would you say, does the scanner work? Funktioniert der Scanner? How would you say, no, the scanner doesn't work? Nein, der Scanner funktioniert nicht. How would you say, no, the computer doesn't work? Nein, der Computer funktioniert nicht. How would you say, does the heater work? Funktioniert die Heizung? Die Heizung is the heater or the heating or the radiator. Die Heizung. Heizung ends with ung. Keep in mind, words ending with ung will be always nouns and female. Die Heizung. Like for example, die Wohnung, the apartment. Funktioniert die Heizung? Does the heater work? How would you say, yes, the heater works? Ja, die Heizung funktioniert. How would you say, today the heater works? Heute funktioniert die Heizung. You see, today works the heater. Heute funktioniert die Heizung. Keep in mind, in German, the verb is always fixed at the second position. So when you start with, for example, heute, today, the verb will follow and then the subject is placed afterwards. Heute funktioniert die Heizung. Today works the heater. How would you say, today the computer works? Heute funktioniert der Computer. How would you say, today the printer doesn't work? Heute funktioniert der Drucker nicht. How would you say, today the scanner doesn't work? Heute funktioniert der Scanner nicht. How would you say, yesterday the printer has worked? Gestern hat der Drucker funktioniert. You see, has worked. Hat funktioniert. Funktioniert is the participle. Now the second verb, and you remember, it's kicked to the very end. Gestern hat der Drucker funktioniert. Yesterday has the printer worked. How would you say, yesterday the computer has worked? Gestern hat der Computer funktioniert. How would you say, yesterday the heater has worked? Gestern hat die Heizung funktioniert. How would you say, yesterday the printer was still working? Gestern hat der Drucker noch funktioniert. Noch for still. Hat noch funktioniert. Has still worked. Or actually in English, was still working. But in German we don't have this tense, was working. We just say it in the past. Has worked. Hat funktioniert. Gestern hat der Drucker noch funktioniert. Yesterday the printer was still working. Yesterday has the printer still worked. How would you say, yesterday the heater was still working? Gestern hat die Heizung noch funktioniert. How would you say, yesterday the scanner was still working? Gestern hat der Scanner noch funktioniert. How would you ask? How would you say, has the printer still worked yesterday? Hat der Drucker gestern noch funktioniert? How would you say, has the scanner still worked yesterday? Hat der Scanner gestern noch funktioniert? You see, funktioniert is still at the end, is kicked to the end. And since we're making a yes-no question, we now start with the verb hat. Hat der Scanner gestern noch funktioniert? Hat der Drucker gestern noch funktioniert? How would you say, yes, he has worked? Ja, hat funktioniert. How would you say, no, he has not worked? Nein, hat nicht funktioniert. You see, in German, although we're talking about things, the printer, the scanner, we say he because it's der Drucker, der Scanner. So the gender still has to match. Great! Next time we'll go through the verb nehmen, to take. Nehmen, to take. So here's what I want you to do now. Take this verb now and juggle it around. Build just 3 simple sentences, saying them out loud. Just 3 simple sentences. This will take you just 1 minute. In the next episode, you'll hear my take on this verb. So talk to you soon. Bis bald. Are you a busy professional who neither has the time, nor the patience, nor the energy to attend traditional language school classes at night or weekends? Then you're in the right place. Click the link in the description below and get my free German podcast course that will help you boost your confidence in speaking in less than 3 months, spending just 10 minutes a day while commuting to work.